Once upon a time, in a bustling city named Brightville, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily had always been a dreamer, envisioning a world where women were empowered to create their own destinies. She believed that every woman possessed unique talents and abilities that could be harnessed to bring about positive change in society. Inspired by her own aspirations and the stories of remarkable women throughout history, Lily set out to create a program that would empower women to become successful entrepreneurs. Lily's journey began with extensive research and countless hours of planning. She reached out to influential women from various industries, seeking their guidance and support. Together, they developed a comprehensive curriculum that covered everything from business fundamentals to leadership skills. They named it the Women's Entrepreneurship Program, WEP. News of Lily's ambitious endeavor spread like wildfire, capturing the attention of women from all walks of life. The program aimed to provide women with the tools, knowledge, and resources necessary to start their own businesses, promoting economic independence and gender equality. Lily believed that through entrepreneurship, women could break free from societal constraints and chart their own paths. The day finally arrived when the Women's Entrepreneurship Program was ready to launch. Excitement filled the air as women gathered from far and wide to participate in this transformative initiative. The program kicked off with an opening ceremony where Lily delivered an inspiring speech, highlighting the importance of women's empowerment and the potential for greatness within each participant. Over the next several months, the women delved into the program's curriculum with passion and dedication. They learned about market research, financial planning, marketing strategies, and the art of negotiation. They honed their problem-solving abilities and built strong networks of support within the program. The Women's Entrepreneurship Program was not just about theoretical knowledge, it was also a hands-on experience. The women were encouraged to develop their own business ideas and work on actual projects. They received mentorship from successful entrepreneurs who shared their expertise and provided guidance every step of the way. As the program progressed, the participants faced challenges and obstacles, but they persevered. They supported and uplifted each other, creating a tight-knit community of aspiring entrepreneurs. With each passing day, their confidence grew, and they discovered the incredible potential within themselves. Finally, the day of the program's graduation ceremony arrived. The atmosphere was filled with anticipation and pride. Lily took the stage once again, this time to witness the incredible transformation that had taken place among the participants. One by one, the women shared their stories of growth, resilience, and newfound purpose. In the months and years that followed, the impact of the Women's Entrepreneurship Program reverberated throughout the city. The women who had graduated from the program started their own businesses, employing others, and contributing to the local economy. They became beacons of inspiration for future generations of women, demonstrating that with determination and support, dreams can become reality. The success of the Women's Entrepreneurship Program did not go unnoticed. Lily's initiative received recognition and support from organizations and governments worldwide. The program expanded its reach, empowering women in different corners of the globe to take charge of their lives and achieve economic independence. Lily's vision had come to life, and the ripple effect of her program extended far beyond what she had imagined. Women everywhere began to realize their potential, breaking free from the limitations imposed upon them. The Women's Entrepreneurship Program became a catalyst for change, transforming not just individual lives, but society as a whole. And so, the story of Lily and the Women's Entrepreneurship Program serves as a reminder that every woman has the power to create her own destiny. When given the opportunity, support, and resources, women can overcome any obstacle and build a brighter, more equal future for themselves and generations to come.